some special guests right here. This is my daughter Cameron and my son Cole. And we're having an Among Us sugar cookie challenge. I'm gonna beat you guys.
Made by Cookie Monster.
I'm gonna beat you guys.
Okay.
They're like, okay.
Yeah.
No, you're not supposed to give up so easily.
I said you could. Okay. Whatever.
I want to give a shout out to my niece, Clarabella in the Philippines. Yeah! She is the one who wanted us to make sugar cookies. I hope, Clarabella, that these are to your satisfaction. Very special ones for you. Wish I could send them to you, but they probably go stale by the time they get to the Philippines.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Too bad.
But thanks for the requests.
Thank you.
We want to do a shout out to Nick. Hey Nick, thanks for watching. Also, our little baker friends, Maddie, Aiden, Sloan, and
Reagan.
yes, Reagan.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, and hit the notification bell to hear all our videos. I could never do that.
So how are we gonna do this competition, Cole?
We're gonna vote! After you watch this challenge, make sure you comment down below whose cookie you think is the best and why.
Oh, yes. And stay tuned for our campaign on why we think you should pick our cookie. Are you ready for this? We're gonna do my favorite sugar cookie recipe, adapted from Honeyella. I'm gonna leave a link for you. Super easy, really delicious, and scrumptious. You're gonna love it. We start with 2 sticks of room temperature butter. Stop the mixer, add your 1 cup of granulated sugar, and beat that up till it's fluffy, and make sure to scrape the bowl down when you need to. Time to add 1 large room temperature egg. You want it to be room temperature so that it mixes and blends very easily, and this is 1 tablespoon of your favorite vanilla. Time to add 3 cups of sifted flour and half a teaspoon of salt. Let's just add a tiny bit of water here. Looks a little bit dry. That's about 1 tablespoon right there. There we go. That's it. Let's check it. How do we check it? Oh, we squish it in our hands. See how beautiful the dough comes together? Well, if it's like that, it's ready. Dump it onto a saran wrap. All right, there we go. Nice and tight, well wrapped, and ready to go in the fridge. All you need to do is chill it from 2 hours to overnight, and then you can work with it. It's time for the royal icing that we're gonna use for this challenge competition. You're gonna start with half a cup of room temperature water and 4 tablespoons of meringue powder. You can pick this up at Michael's or any like craft cake shop. Okay, when it gets to this point, it is ready to put the confectioner sugar in. So we're gonna start scooping. This is already sifted. You're gonna need about 7 to 8 cups of this. You can go 7 to 8, but I like to go 8 because that'll make a stiffer frosting, which we can water down and make to our perfect consistency to pipe onto the cookies. Okay, so no worries. When we get to this point right now, we can go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. So what we need is 2 tablespoons of shortening, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I like to use the clear imitation vanilla. I know it's imitation, but it's clear. It's the only one that's clear. You're gonna add 1 teaspoon there. 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup. Now, why am I using these extra ingredients? There's a good reason. This makes a frosting that is pipeable and it does crust up and become firm, but yet when you bite into the cookie, it's gonna make it delicious and a little bit tender to the bite, so it's not fully hard like a rock that some royal icing recipes get to. Now we mix this up. And this is where we blend it really, really well. So you can let this go actually for a few minutes. I'll see you in 2. Once you get to this and it's nice and mixed together, it's ready to separate into your bowls to make colors. I'll show you how to do that. Once you make the frosting, you really gotta hurry up and hustle, because this stuff, the royal icing, will dry out on you. So you want to mix your colors as soon as possible. If you're not going to get to something in a timely manner, go ahead and put some saran wrap or plastic wrap on top of that, right on top of it so it doesn't crust over. But we're going to go ahead and make this orange. I want a nice strong orange color there. And all you're going to do is mix it up. Now remember, when you add this food gel to it, it will add liquid to it. So it will add that wet consistency that's gonna make it a little bit runnier than it was, but you do want it to be a 20-second frosting, which is when we drop it like this and you make a figure 8, it dissolves into itself and disappears within 20 seconds. Obviously, this one's really thick. Yeah, we got about 20-second frosting there, maybe a little quicker than that. So this is a perfect consistency for piping. What do you do now with the frosting? But you just pour that frosting in, making sure you don't bring in any hard pieces of frosting that might have crusted over, because that's gonna block your bag. Twist the bag at the end. Make sure you pushed all those bubbles out like that. And then this one looks like a big old carrot. Ah, I'm just kidding. I like to use twist ties, which are my new magic trick. This is the part where I'm just showing you how to use. Oh yeah. You're like, that's not yours. This one's yours. That's right. We are in a competition, dude.
Whoa.
You ready for this?
Yeah.
You ready to go down?
Marley.
All right. What are these things called?
Safety knives.
Called
Safety knives.
safety knives. Childproof knives, right? Because why? Because if you cut yourself, do you really cut yourself?
No. Look it.
Ah! Don't do it.
Just like
kidding.
Play-Doh.
All right, it's a palette knife. These are called
Play-Doh knives.
palette knives. Show your shapes. All right, so these are the Among Us characters that we tricked out into costume.
I'm doing Mickey. But he's gonna do Mickey and I'm gonna do it like Goofy. And Cameron, what are you doing? You're surprising us, aren't you? Yeah, so actually I just have my character from the game, my normal character with the cherry on top. And then I'm gonna do like a little chocolate dip on the bottom.
Whoa.
Extra detail. So what's the, theme of yours? A cookie. A cookie? A sugar cookie? Right, a sugar cookie cookie. It's a cookie. Alright, let's get started.
Cookie dough. That was mine. That was
As hard as a rock, because we put it in the fridge for how long?
I don't know. I was just gonna say.
Well, you can put it in there for about 2 hours or longer, as long as you chill it. And now we're gonna try and roll it out.
It seems kind of.
It seems a little,
Never mind.
a little hard, yeah.
Never
We might
mind.
actually have to thaw this. You want to flour the table a little bit?
Yeah.
So this is how we do it. No, not too much, go. Yeah, okay, that's good. That's
Yeah,
good. Now how do we spread it out?
Just assume that's okay.
Roll it out now.
Ooh.
It's hard as a rock, right? Okay, so that means if
I
you're
want
jealous
tall
too
enough.
hard, Your dough is too hard.
That's all though.
Yeah, you have to bench press. If your dough is too hard, that means you have to thaw it a little.
So right now we're just rolling up the dough so that it's even.
Whoa, the crack.
Oh yeah.
Does it look even to you? Coley, does that look even?
Yeah.
It does?
Yeah.
No. Just have to get it a little bit more even.
Oh,
A little bit wider. Watch your fingers, honey. Cameron, your fingers.
fingers.
We
Finger
don't want
montage.
finger sugar cookies.
Since we already rolled out this dough, I am gonna put the templates on it. Now that we have all our cookies or our templates laid out accordingly, we're gonna cut the little sections of them off and then we're gonna lay them on this tray here. And then once they're laid on the tray, we're gonna cut them out by their shapes. We have transferred our dough now and now we will cut it. So like this.
Go ahead, Cam. You can cut yours now. We're smoothing out the edges to make sure it's a nice, beautiful cookie.
Question and answer segment.
How many sugar cookies have you made in your life?
Pondering. 300. Probably like 12.
Mine is 200. 12. That's
Around
about
mine.
right.
Oh, what the heck?
I saw a kid
just
do
said that. No.
I saw a kid
Oh.
It was already like
Sabotage.
But I'm the one that said it when I had a hole in it.
Cammy was not the imposter.
We don't have enough evidence to incriminate the suspect
Play back
at
the
this
footage.
time.
We need another dance.
Everybody introduce their cookie.
For my design, I'm gonna be making a sugar cookie Among Us. So, like, I'm gonna use this can over here and like outline the whole thing and make it look like a cookie.
I'm gonna do this cute little goofy Among Us character. Hopefully he turns out good. He's got some cute colors in him. I cannot wait.
I am gonna do this Mickey, and it'll be a surprise, so I don't want to tell you much.
I'm a little scared actually. I think these two are gonna give me a run for my money. Here we go. On your mark. Get set. Go. Like this video right now if you think Cameron's the imposter.
Like it if you
Like
think
it. Like.
She sabotaged the lights, everybody run!
Hey guys! It's me, Mickey! Where's Donald? Where's Goofy? Oh, there's Goofy. I'm gonna eat Goofy up. Just kidding.
No, you made me laugh. You just messed me up. Somebody vote for me in the comments, please. So I at least have one vote. I'll vote for you, Cammy.
Aw, I'll vote for you, Cammy.
Aw. I have 2 votes. I think I dreamed about this
Oh,
vote.
Cameron, that's adorable. Coley, wow, buddy.
Oh,
So cool.
And if you're wondering, this is my nose. Because it kind of looks like an eye, but it's a nose.
Look at, this is why I stepped up my game, let me tell you. I was only gonna make like an Among Us guy with like a banana on his head. But because she made this clay figure, it's an air dry clay and it's a replica of the cookie she's made right now, I had to be like, I need to step up my game. So therefore, I made my Among Us cookie like Goofy, and Cole made his like Mickey. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of you guys. Are you done, sweetie?
Dunzo. Did it done.
Officially done. Who's gonna be the judge?
Sam.
That's right, you.
Yeah.
So why do you think you should win, Cameron?
First of all, hello cookie lovers everywhere. And why should I win? There's a lot of reasons. Okay.
I have a lot of reasons, but I don't really remember.
This is my cookie here, do you see? Yes, it's pretty, right? I actually have reasons. I don't know why I'm doing this. But you can see that a lot of extra effort went into this because I actually created a little model that looks very similar to the one I decorated for you. And why else should you vote for me? Because please, I win your heart. Bye.
So Cole, my man, why do you think you should win this competition?
I think I should win this competition because my cookie looks fine. And because I'm a monkey. Oh.
I vote for you, Cole.
And I have one more reason. I forgot. But you can vote for whoever you want, actually.
Yay! Good sportsmanship.
Hello, Mom. What's up, girl? Why do you think the viewers should vote for you and your cookie? Please vote for me because I love Goofy and I think he's the cutest little Among Us cookie I've ever seen. But no, those other two cookies are the cutest I've ever seen. And he's the second cutest. So I don't mind if I don't win. I'm gonna eat him and he's gonna be awesomely delectable. And I hope that you try this recipe and thank you!
You're using sentiment to win their vote.
What sentiment?
I see right through you.
I'm on to you.
Thank you guys for hanging out with us. Vote down below. We want to see those comments. We want to count them. We want to know who's winning.
Please hit the notification bell, the like button, and the subscribe button so we can make better content like this. Let us know what you want us to bake next. Peace out.
Peace.
Blooper. Blooper.
We are going to have.
I accidentally showed them.
Oh, great. You spoiled it. You imposter.
I shouldn't do it.
Just try.
Okay.
This question and question.
Hello. Welcome back to this.
I think it was the person whose finger fit in there.
It wasn't me. It's
Check
you.
the finger.
It was already there.
How can you blame this innocent baby? Give him the most innocent look you have.
Here. I have an idea. Wait, that's sad. Not innocent. I'm innocent. I'm falling off into space. I wasn't the imposter. Ow! That hurt. I was. Yeah, she was. She sabotaged the cookie.
It smells so good.